So we've got 23 horsepower, I believe it's 23, 25, SL380, SDL000L mini skid steer here. These machines are super nice. A lot of upgraded over the AGT machines. You can see here, this knob is a lot nicer than the other models. Good quality stuff here. Everything's been upgraded. The tracks, can't really see in there, but they've all been upgraded. Just the quality. You've got a 760cc engine. There is this plate here. A lot of people have screwed in weights to them. There's a track, nice good quality track. You've got the 3 hydraulic attachments. We've got a mini skid steer plate here which will work all of your mini skid steer dingo. There's a little attachment there. I'm gonna move my trailer and yeah, let's have a look in here. The little battery charger, cooled in Muskoka, but it's always good to charge it. And yeah, I've got a nice little system here. Got the exhaust, all the hydraulics. This is super cool. They changed this on this machine to get at everything. So you've got your pump. There's your battery, hydraulic reservoir, the motor there. You've got, that's the oil fill up. These have just gotten, each rendition gets a little bit better quality. And you can see, I like these better than AGT, but AGT will probably come out with better machines by the time I get another one. And we also carry Direct as well. Those will be coming in soon. There's your battery. You've got, let me just close this. So everything's built like a lot better than the older machines, like even 6 months ago. Just a better attachment here. You've got a little choke. There you go. 380 machine. These are much better than the 14 horsepower. Usually the 14s have got a triangular system, which looks better, but this